In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the 3D view in Google Maps. Whether you're planning a trip or just curious about exploring locations, using this feature can give you an incredible perspective of the world's landscape. It's not just fun and engaging, but also super helpful in visualizing surroundings and routes. To start, you'll need to open Google Maps on your PC. Head over to your preferred web browser and simply search for Google Maps or enter its URL. Once the landing page is open, you'll see the familiar interface with the search bar, navigation options, and a large map area ready for exploration. Next, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll find the Layers button, represented by a stacked square icon. Clicking on this will open a small menu of options related to map aesthetics and features. It might include traffic, terrain, and more, depending on your last used settings. But for now, we'll focus on unlocking a special element to bring our map to life. Within this Layers menu, look for the option labeled More. Click on it, and you'll see another menu appear. Here, you're going to want to select the Globe View option. This selection is crucial, as it switches your map from a flat view to a more spherical perspective. Once activated, this feature allows for the kind of dynamic exploring synonymous with 3D visualization. With Globe View enabled, the next step is to zoom in close to a city or area known to support 3D imagery. Not every location offers detailed 3D views, so it's best to try major cities or well-documented landmarks. Use your mouse or the Zoom In button to delve deeper into the map until the 3D effect becomes visible. Now, in order to truly experience the 3D capabilities, you'll want to hold down the Control key on your keyboard. While holding Control, click and drag with your mouse. Alternatively, you can also use a simple right-click and drag method. This motion will allow you to tilt and rotate the map, giving you a three-dimensional view of the area. Take your time experimenting with different angles and perspectives, as adjusting the tilt and pan can reveal new aspects of the landscape. These straightforward steps make the intricacies of our Earth just a little more tangible. By engaging with Google Maps in this way, you can embark on a virtual tour of your desired destinations without leaving your home. Whether you're planning for travel, educational purposes, or simply indulging your curiosity, the 3D view feature is a fantastic tool to enhance your exploration in Google Maps.